To get this, I don't need this or this. Anyone can put this together, including me. And I get the garage of my dreams.
Armadillo Tough is building a movement. Watch this, guys. Most guys are selling boxes. These guys are selling a movement. Here today with Armadillo Tough, Aaron and Bob want to talk a little bit about a few things. We were here recording content last week, coming back today and had some great feedback on your post, but want to talk a few things about the brand. Give us a little insight on where this logo came from. I really like the logo, love the name. What is this Armadillo about? What's the brand about? Where did this come through as far as our branding goes?
The concept for Armadillo is that we have a cabinet that opens and folds. Rather than having tons of screws and bolts and whatnot, it literally comes with whatever tools you need, which is only to put on the leg levelers. Outside of that, pretty much it just opens up. So when I was brainstorming on kind of what was appropriate for the brand, I came up with this idea of the Armadillo because I knew that the Armadillo also kind of unfolded and folded. You know, a defensive posture rolls up into a ball. When it's kind of cool and relaxed, it kind of opens up and walks around. The cabinets kind of work the same way. When you want to use them, they pop open, and if for whatever reason you needed to condense them, you could. Not that you're going to, but if you move, I guess, you can take them with you when you fold them down. So that's where the Armadillo concept came from.
It's got a tough outer skin, which we thought was a cool second part of that, right? So it can fold and it's tough and strong.
And what is this made of?
This is steel.
Okay, wow.
22 gauge steel, which is the same kind of steel you would get in an automobile.
So pretty heavy duty stuff, right?
It's good quality, very good quality steel.
And you guys have 3 colors out now?
Yep, we have the red, we have the gray, and we have black. All the cabinets come with the black frame, so you get gray on black on black, or red on black.
So we're gonna unfold it soon. We're gonna film actually the unfolding and the opening and closing of these products. Really like what you guys are doing here. And talking forward as we move into next year, what's on the horizon for Armadillo Tough? Where do you guys see this brand in the next 12 to 18 months?
So there's product extensions. Obviously there's different needs that people have. So we are working on a couple of new base cabinet concepts, and we're working on a new gear locker concept and a cleat system to make it even easier to hang the wall cabinets.
Okay, and you guys also have overhead storage.
Yes, we do.
Which is getting really popular. That looks super sturdy, looks amazing. If someone were to buy this system, right, and they want the whole system, how many pieces does it come with as far as the standard? I've kind of been on your Shopify store. I've gone to armadillo.com, love it. And how many pieces does the system come with? I know things are sold individually, but if I wanted to put this in my garage, what do I need?
It's a modular system, so depending upon what your wall space is and obviously how much you want to spend, dictate how many units you're going to buy.
Okay.
It goes anywhere from a 4-piece system all the way up to a 14-piece system.
And what's the average price on the system?
There is really no average price because it depends on what size set you buy. We have
Okay.
people that buy 20-piece sets. We have people that buy 6-piece, 4-piece sets. So there's really no average price. But I want to go back to something what Aaron said. Along with your garage, if you take a picture of your garage, we have a design service that allows us to take a picture of your garage, you give us a few dimensions, and we'll design the system for you.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, you tell us what you're looking to store, what you're looking to do, whether it's tools, whether it's big boxes, or tell us what you have, and we'll actually design a system for you, send it to you for review. You can come back to us and say, I don't like this, change this, do that. It looks like it's in your garage. So it's a free design service that we offer that people should take advantage of because it really helps.
I like it. Talk to me a little bit about tips going into New Year's. What can people do to their garage if they want to bring Armadillo Tough in there? What would be a couple things that they can do to prepare to bring in this? Just some short tips that our listeners can actually learn from.
Well, I have a 6-month rule. If I don't use it in 6 months, it's out of that.
So throw it out. So we start with throwing everything out. Okay.
The reality is most people don't realize how much stuff they have until they're ready to move.
Right.
Right? You start realizing all the stuff you've accumulated because you never go back to it. And so for me, the first thing is kind of purge. Get rid of those things that you haven't used in 6 months because you're definitely not going to use them. And that gives you the opportunity to start bringing in some really good storage. And the nice thing about having storage is knowing where you put things.
Right. Well, your garage is super clean. I know it's thanks to Armadillo Tough. You guys, as the founder, I would expect nothing less than great garages, which going through this neighborhood, I've seen some other garages that actually had Armadillo Tough as well. Garage looks amazing. I love the brand, and I want to see this thing unfold and fold and put it back together. I love the fact that it has no tools, right? You do have some tools up here. Tell me a little bit about what's required to put this thing together and to build these things out, because that's always a challenge for people that need a lot of tools.
This is our 2-door cabinet. So the two-door cabinet comes with leg levelers as a rule. Leg levelers will get you the Allen key that you need to install them on the bottom of the cabinet. In this case, I put the wheels on because it was just easier for me because I'm going to use this in various places in my garage. So essentially that's it. You get an Allen key.
That's it.
That's it.
That's all I need.
That's all you need.
No drills.
No drills.
No screwdrivers.
No screwdriver.
You're kidding me.
No
Okay.
wrenches.
All right.
No socket set. No nothing.
That entire thing is going together with just that. You basically, my hands.
Yeah, that's it. Two-door wall cabinet, the gear locker, the two-door cabinet all go together exactly the same way. When you have something that has a drawer, like the 6-drawer cabinet that you're standing in front of, we do provide for you a bending tool, which allows you to bend the tabs that lock the front and back of the drawer into place. But other than that, again, you don't need any of your own tools.
Amazing. Let's see this thing in action.
So we're going to remove the rubber TPR mat. This mat comes with every one of our base cabinets.
Okay, which is really sturdy.
Yep.
Okay.
We're going to put that to the side. Here's your lid. In my case, I didn't lock the lid on because it's my own garage and I'm not worried about someone going in.
Okay.
You'll notice that there's 4 holes at the top of the lid. Those are used for 2 purposes. One is to locate the rubber mat on the top. The other opportunity is for you to purchase a wood top if you want to kind of dress it up. Wood is already pre-tapped and threaded, so the screws will go through these holes so that you mount it to the wood top if that's what you desire. I do have tools in here, so what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these tools. All right, so I'm going to lift up the top shelf, which is adjustable, by the way. It comes preset in a position that allows us to send it to you folded, but that's now out of the way. You then take the bottom shelf, again, you lift it up, lock it out of the way, lock it. We'll fold it with the doors open just to show people. So the sides go in, cabinet folds. Now we'll close the doors, lock the doors.
Wow, this is super neat. Huh?
So something that's 18 inches folds down to about 6 inches.
And the big cabinets do this as well.
Same exact thing.
And how about these?
Same exact thing.
Who developed this system? You guys are pretty smart.
We did it together.
Really? Okay. Impressive.
So now we'll just reverse the process. Let's unlock the doors, pop them open. Let's show you how it works. So we're gonna unlock the shelf. We're gonna lock that down, lock the second shelf. We're gonna let that guy go down. We'll close the doors, yours first. And second, I'll lock it just to keep it from opening up. I'm gonna take my lid, put that down. Here's the rubber mat, put that on. You got yourself
And rolls
a nice
right back
cabinet.
in place.
Yeah, you can place. I mean,
Amazing.
I'm gonna wanna fill it back up, so I got my stuff out of the way.
Very cool.
Yeah.
This is what a great technology you guys have developed. Love it. I'm super impressed. Question for you, Bob. Moving into lifestyle brands, we see a lot of lifestyle brands. I definitely see this as a lifestyle brand. We talk about Yeti. We talk about this being a brand that's super cool for a guy that wants to make his garage different, look good. He's got a car over here. He does weekend work. He's got the football game going. When did you guys realize that you guys were developing a lifestyle brand? What's been the feedback with customers around this brand, just in general?
For me, there were 2, maybe 3 things or 3 occurrences that happened that really made me realize that this was a great product and a great brand. Number one, we went to the National Hardware Show in 2017 and displayed the product for the first time. And there were buyers there that have a lot of experience, right? Buyers from big companies, they know these products, they know all the companies in the industry, and they were completely impressed with what we had and how our product unfolded and went together and set up. The second thing, we did another show in West Palm Beach. There's a big car show that goes on once a year in April in West Palm Beach, and they sell antique cars and all that. We did that car show a couple of times. But the nice thing about that car show, there's not really buyers there, there's consumers. But there are consumers as people that know cars, they know tools, they know product. And we got an unbelievable feedback from those people when they saw it. They just couldn't believe how easy it was to put together and how sturdy and strong it was. So those were the 2 real reasons that I felt this was a really good brand and a really good product. And yet the last one that solidifies it is all the great reviews we get.
Right.
I mean, our 5-star reviews are just constantly coming in, and people not only love the product, but they love the whole process, from ordering to delivery of the product, even the back-end support that we provide. So,
What do you think our biggest number one solution with this product is for a consumer?
it's the ease of assembly and the ease to install. And then after that, it's getting organized, which makes everybody feel great.
Yes, organization and appearance is essential for success. So we all feel good when we're organized. I feel great today just talking with these guys, being in their garage, such a super clean environment. Where can they find this at? I know you guys are on Amazon. Where can we purchase this at?
I mean, the best place to purchase is armadillotough.com.
Okay, armadillotough.com. Check it out below. Shopify store. You guys are growing the Shopify store. They can go there and purchase any of these products immediately. And what's the ETA on on ship time?
Oh, it depends where you are in the country, but most of the time we can get it to you in 2 to 3 days.
Okay, wow. And with the recent demand in production, how has your production increased? Are you guys doubling for 2026?
Factory production? Absolutely. Yeah, we've doubled in our sales from 24 to 25, and we expect the same thing to happen from 25 to
100%
26.
growth year over year. I love it.
Yeah.
Not everyone can do that. That's awesome. Here today, Armadillo Tough. Guys, thank you so much for allowing us this opportunity. Check them out below, doing great things in the garage transformation space. You're gonna see a lot of big things to come. These guys are definitely revolutionizing the industry. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Yes, that was a lot. It was good though. It was awesome.